Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Today, I want to talk about my winter routine. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is great for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Winter is my favorite season. The weather is cold. Sometimes it snows. The days are shorter and the nights are longer.
Hello, sweet kitty. Enjoying the view? You're so cozy right here, aren't you? This blanket is so cozy. Huh? What's it doing?
Hey, stop that! Let me out!
Well, that was unexpected.
I enjoy my winter routine very much. In winter, I wake up a little later. The mornings are cold and dark. I stay in my warm bed for a few minutes. Then I get up and open the curtains. I like to see the cold sky outside. After that, I make a hot drink. Sometimes I drink tea. Sometimes I drink hot chocolate. The warm drink makes me feel cozy and happy. In winter, I wear warm clothes. I wear sweaters and thick socks. When I go outside, I wear a coat, scarf, and gloves.
Perfect. Now I'm ready for the cold.
I like to feel warm and comfortable.
It looks chilly out there.
In the afternoon, I like to stay inside. I read books near the window. Sometimes I sit under a warm blanket. Reading in winter feels very peaceful. I also enjoy cooking warm food. I make soup, rice, or pasta. Hot food is perfect for cold days. The kitchen feels warm and nice.
Just what I needed.
In the evening, I light a small lamp. The soft light makes the room calm. I listen to slow music. Sometimes I write in my notebook. On some days, I take a short walk. The air is cold and fresh. The trees look different in winter. The world feels quiet and still. Before bed, I drink warm milk or tea.
Just what I needed.
I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I go to bed early. I sleep under a thick blanket. Winter is cold, but it is also beautiful. I enjoy slow mornings, warm drinks, and quiet evenings. My winter routine makes me feel calm and happy.
What about you? What do you do in winter? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.